A couple other things when it comes to reporting, because again, right, we can only do so much feature-based. There's only so many things you can do in an accounting program. But some of the reports that have come out now, or changes to reports that have come out now. So on the inventory valuation summary report, the stock status by item report, the assembly shortage by item, and the sales by item report, those reports, they added in categories. If you have not seen videos around categories, categories are now a way for you to organize your items list, right? So you can set up your items into different categories, and they are continuing to add categories to reports. When you add it to report, you can now choose to hide it, right? If you don't want them to see it. So you can see right now it's basically 2 levels of segmentation. So you can get creative. It doesn't have to be necessarily a category per se. You can get creative with how you can utilize these fields. But right now it's a segment by something on the items list, then they're doing it by inventory type, then they're doing it by item, or by item type and then by item. So if I hide category, right, it just does them all together. So that is available on a couple of reports now, which we have listed out here. And you probably will continue to see that hide category available in other places.